welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Vora. So in today's video, instead of de-influencing you, I'm going to be influencing you guys, and I'm going to tell you my holy grail makeup products that I cannot live without. So if you haven't checked out my de-influencing video, I'll have it linked above so you guys can check it out, because you need to stay the heck away from those makeup products and purchase the ones that I'm going to be showing you today. So yes, now without wasting time, let's get into the video. Alright, so we're starting off with primers, and this one I have used for the longest time because it gives me that dewy base and all that hydration on my face. And I can say that I've been using this for over a year now and it has never disappointed me. This is the Posh Beauty Silk Blurred Primer. It is cream based and is super duper lightweight. Now see, this creates a barrier between my skin and the makeup while keeping it super duper moisturized and dewy, and that's what I absolutely love about this product, because even if you forget applying your moisturizer, this can literally do the work. So I use a moisturizer first and then I apply this primer, and it gives me extra hydration on the skin, and oh my god, what a dewy look it gives. And this can last you for over a month because I have been using this and it's still not finished, even though I do makeup like daily. So this retails for 650 rupees, which I think is pretty reasonable because it will last you a long time. Plus it gives you both the things that you need, like literally priming and moisturizing. So I highly recommend this product, and I think everybody should have this because it's so good for like dry skin people, especially because it gives that dewy finish. So I'll have all the products linked down below in my description box for you guys to check it out, so don't worry. Now when it comes to foundation, it was not tough to pick the one that I always fall back on, because this foundation is literally like my go-to foundation. I don't use anything else when I feel like I want to go super duper lightweight, because this is literally like my skin tone and very lightweight. And this is the K-Beauty Hydrating Foundation in the shade 140p medium. Now see, this foundation is something that I always rave about because it's so skin-like and dewy, and especially being a dry skin person, nothing can be better than this foundation. And what I love about this foundation is that it's medium to buildable coverage, which I think you can wear when you want to go for brunch or like day parties and you don't want to cake up too much makeup on your face. And it definitely gives the right amount of coverage. Like it will hide all the blemishes that you have on your face, yet it's gonna look very skin-like and not gonna look very heavy or cakey. Now this retails for 12.99 rupees, which I think is so affordable because a foundation like this is so hard to find. Like let me tell you, I have used so many foundations and I still couldn't find like the perfect foundation that I can fall back on whenever I want, but finally I did. So in case you guys want to buy this foundation, you definitely can, but I would suggest that you wait for the sale to come, because this can drop down to 700 rupees, because I have bought this for 700 always, and I think that's fantastic for a foundation that you're getting in 700. Okay, so mascaras. Now this is something that I've repurchased, but it was a tough decision to make because there are a lot of mascaras that I have which perform similarly, and there is maybe a little difference, but not too much difference that I've seen. I mean, it's not like my most loved mascara or something, but yes, it's there on top of my list. And I also keep continuously repurchasing this mascara because it is actually like my go-to, and this is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. So when I saw the ad and everything, I didn't have like high expectations because I did use a lot of Maybelline mascaras in the past, but some of them performed well but not up to the mark. But this was definitely a game changer. I love the packaging. It's super duper matte and gives that luxe feel, like the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And the performance of this mascara is also great, man. Like I'm literally wearing it right now, if you guys can see. My eyelashes look awesome. I mean, I don't get this sort of lift whenever I apply some other mascaras. I mean, some do give that sort of lift that I have right now, but not all mascaras. So that's why I have put this on top of my list, and I'm definitely gonna keep repurchasing this one because it has done a great job. It gives a good volume and length, which is exactly what a person needs. And why I love this mascara is because I don't need to apply false lashes after applying this, because it does a great job and it's a fabulous product. Like I would definitely get my hands on this again and again because it's so good. Now this is priced at 799 rupees, which I think is worth every penny because it's definitely giving that volume and that lift. And there are some people who have eyelashes which are in the downward direction, and I have seen their reviews and everything, and this mascara has done a great job on them too, which is very surprising. And this is a waterproof mascara. So yes, I love this product and you should definitely go and get this. Next up, we have loose powders, and I don't have too many options in this because there are not many loose powders that are full coverage, and I like my makeup to be full coverage yet natural. And there are not many loose powders that are high coverage or have a pink undertone, because I need something which has a pink undertone, since you know I have a pink undertone. How many times did I even say that? But yes, I kid you not, I have used so many loose powders and only this particular product has worked out for me in the drugstore category. And this is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 15 Light. It is such a great powder. It's finely milled and has that pink undertone plus full coverage, which is exactly what I need when I apply that concealer and I need to set it all in. Because usually what happens is when you set your base, you can literally see your skin underneath, and I hate that. Like, I hate it. It should not look like there's, you know, skin underneath, and it looks grey after that. So I hate that, and that's why I use this one, because this has done a great and fabulous job for me. And I absolutely love the packaging. Just look at how this opens up. It's literally like the Givenchy Prisme Libre, and it definitely gives that luxe feel. And the best part is it will last you for more than 3 months. Like, you can literally use this for 6 months as well. Depends on how much you use and how much quantity you're using on a daily basis. For me, it has lasted for more than 6 months. I'm not even kidding. And this is priced at 799 rupees, which is too good because it's an investment for half a year. I mean, that is awesome, right? Like, in 800 rupees, you can literally get something that is going to last you half a year. And the performance and everything is fabulous. That's why I purchased this, and I highly recommend it to you guys as well. And if somebody is starting out or, you know, is confused about loose finishing powders, then please get your hands on this one, because this is never going to disappoint you, and it's always a safe choice to fall back on. Last but not the least, this is my favorite product for my eyebrows, and it's literally become my favorite step in that makeup routine that I do because of this particular product. And this has to be the Lakme Facelift Brow Sculpt Palette. Now, I don't know where to start from, because when I say this is my holy grail, it means that it goes in all my makeup routines, and I cannot do without this product. I'm literally wearing it right now. Look at my brows. Like, does it even look like I have applied something? It's so natural, and you know, it can give you that perfect coverage that you need, and it's not going to look made up. And the best part about this palette is that it comes with a cute little brush with a spoolie and this precise brush. And guys, oh my god, it literally gives you those proper strokes that you need, and it's super duper pigmented. Like, I don't even know what to say about the pigments because they are fabulous. Like, I love the pigments. They're super duper pigmented, yet they look so natural when you apply it on your brows. And I love the packaging because it's so travel friendly. Plus, it comes with a mirror, and there are 2 pigments here for the brows, which I think is great. And this is something that can never go wrong with me. That's why I always use this for my eyebrows, and I had made a video on this. I'll link it above for you guys to check it out, on how I do my brows. So in case you want to learn that, you can, because I made like a dedicated video for that topic. Now, this is priced at 750 rupees, which I think is worth every penny, and I would definitely spend that much. Even if it's on MRP, I would definitely spend it because this product is so good. Like, I could never find a good eyebrow product, but finally I did, and I'm in love with this. So I highly recommend it. If you guys are looking for a good eyebrow product, please go purchase this right now. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video, and I hope you guys liked all my holy grail products because they are my absolute favorite. Now, if you found this video helpful, then do give it a big thumbs up and go and subscribe to my channel right now. Hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.